In this video, we're gonna start building the hair. The first thing we want to do is to start in selecting all the faces from the scalp that will have hair. Alright, so once we have selected all the faces, edit mesh, duplicate, let's offset it just slightly in local Z, just like so. Now we can start accommodating these faces so that they resemble our character a little better. We can now start pulling out the vertices. Let me make sure that my symmetry is on so that I'm moving both objects at the same time. Let's go ahead and merge these two, just like so. Actually, there's a couple of them that we can merge. Let's go ahead and do that so that we can create, so that we can end up having better geometry. All right, let's take a look at this. Okay, great. Let's fix the front before we move on. Almost there. All right, so that looks pretty good. Let's go ahead into object mode. Let's scale this down a bit. Do modify center pivot, scale it down so that it fits closer to the scalp, as this will be the base for the head. And now we're going to select all these faces. Let's go ahead and extrude them outwards, just like so. And now we're going to start accommodating and adjusting each one of these vertices. If you encounter any sort of issues in one side, don't worry about it, because we can always just mirror the one half over. Go ahead, press number 3, see your results. Now there are a couple of ways you can do at this point. You can use soft selection to keep moving this around until it matches the reference, or you can also use the sculpting tools to smooth it out. You can go to the sculpting tools here. Once done, let's go ahead and mirror that over. Let's go ahead and grab the soft selection tool and keep moving this. Now let's go ahead and add edge loops to start tightening down some of these areas. Alright, once adjusted, remember, you can always grab half, delete it, so that you have perfect symmetry. Do this as many times as necessary. Make sure to clean it up and to get rid of any additional vertices. This seems to happen a lot right there in the middle, so select all the vertices. Make sure to clean it up and to get rid of any additional vertices. This seems to happen a lot right there in the middle, so select all the vertices, click delete. Alright, so I can still add some more details if I wanted to. Right now, I think this is good enough. So let's go ahead and finish up by doing the tie.